That was short-lived, yo. Goddamn. We all know what that means. Okay, so I'm back from Race Wars, and let me show y'all something. Look at that. So Superbikes Unlimited says zero possibility of ECU settings doing something like that. We know on this channel what I do to these bikes and how fine running this motorcycle has been. I even went and rode the bike before I did the ECU. I rode with Jalen and I test the bike to make sure it was in proper prime working condition. What happened as I rode out of here was like, damn, super strong down low. It is super strong down low. But right about the 7-8 grand mark, you felt a lull in power. So no big deal. On the street, I'm not going that fast. So I got to the freeway. And as I get on the freeway, go past that dip in power, and then it felt pretty good again. Violence is hurt. Violence is smoking up a storm. And where I'm looking at it right now, the sight glass, y'all know when y'all saw me do the oil change, I keep the oil right to the top of the sight glass. And it's just blowing through oil. So she's hurt like crazy, y'all. And I'm not mad, but I'm just, I don't know. What am I? I don't know. I'm not mad, but I'm like perplexed. Like, goddamn. It's funny, this morning I put my gear on because I said, I don't want nothing going wrong that's going to hurt me. Even if, and I was anticipating the bike having a lot of power if it was cold, and I spun the tire and I went down. I had my gear on, so. Damn, yo. I'm just really glad that I didn't ride it far and this happened. Trying to ride it back, I would have went through all of the oil, and if the motor is salvageable, rebuildable, I was only 3 miles away, 2.5 miles away. So, I limped it back at low RPM, and, this is what we got. I don't really have too much to say. I just got to find a solution. So that's what I'm going to be looking forward to this this week and next. I got to find a solution to fix this issue, man. Hopefully it's rebuildable. Fingers crossed. Leave a "you got it" champ in the chats. I'm gonna try and make it work. But we in it now, baby. I think like, damn, should I have let it go and then bought everything again? But I don't know. I think me and Violence got a thing. So We got to figure something out, you and I. But anyway, I'm just back from a long day of Race Wars. I was outside. There was some drifting. There were some car shows. I'm over it all. I actually think I'm going to get a beer and I'm going to settle myself in. So I'm going to give y'all two.